Hi guys, myself Prashant Wakhare, Department of Information Technology, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. Today I am going to discuss the discrete mathematics concept, Kruskal's algorithm. So before going to discuss the Kruskal's algorithm, we should know the spanning tree. So spanning tree means, suppose you have a connected undirected graph. Connected undirected graph means, connected means every node is reachable from every other node, and undirected means edges do not have an associated direction. Then a spanning tree of the graph is a connected subgraph in which there are no cycles. So no cycles or no circuit is very important point in the spanning tree concept. See this example of this a connected undirected graph. This is the connected undirected graph, means edges do not have an associated direction. And these four of the spanning tree of this connected undirected graph. If you see in these four spanning trees of the graph, there is a no any cycles. Here is also no any cycle. Here is also no any cycles. Here is also no any cycle, and here is also no cycle. But there are the total four vertex, means four node. If you missing the any one node, then it will not be spanning tree. See this example, a cable company want to connect the 5 villages to their network, which currently extends to the market town of Avonford. And what is the minimum length of the cable needed? So such a types of the real examples, if you want to solve, there is also more real life examples like the railway lines, TV cable line, telephonic lines, electric lines, etc. are for connecting the number of cities or objects. So we have to implement this network by using this spanning tree. So there is the two algorithms. Basic algorithm for finding minimum cost spanning tree. The first one is the Kruskal's algorithm and second one is the Prim's algorithm. Both the algorithms are the greedy algorithm. The Kruskal's algorithm is created in 1957. The scientist named Kruskal developed an algorithm to find the minimum spanning tree of a given any weighted connected graph. So see these examples of the Kruskal's algorithm, we will more clear what is the Kruskal algorithm. So in this graph, so there is the one vertex, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5 and total 6 vertex. And total 6 vertex and total number of edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is the 10. And each edge has assigned to the some distance or you can say the weight also. So now we have to find the minimum spanning tree for this Kruskal's algorithm. So see, first step in the Kruskal's algorithm is select the shortest edge in the network. Shortest edge. So this is the network and you have to select the shortest edge. So shortest edge is the first one is the E to D is the 2. This is the shortest edge. So therefore we have to select the here the ED is a 2. Next step, select the shortest edge which does not create a cycle. This is the very important point. So then we'll select the next shortest edge. This is the A to B, this is the next shortest edge, and this weight is the 3. But condition is which does not create a cycle. So there is no any cycles. So therefore here the select the A to B is the 3. Next step, third step is select the shortest edge which does not create a cycles. Then we have select here the C to D is the 4, and simultaneously A to E is also the 4. C to D and A to E is also the 4. So next step select, so A to E is the 4. Last step is the one vertex is the pending, that is the F, and this F is the E to F is the shortest edge. So therefore we will select this E to F, and this distance is the 5. Now the solution of this Kruskal algorithm is E to D is a 2, A to B is a 3, C to D is a 4, A to D is a 4, and E to F is a 5. So total weight of this tree is the 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5 is the 18. The total weight of this tree is the 18. Next, the complexity is very important. The sorting loop of the complexity, the BO of A log n. Initialization of the components or the finding, the complexity is the O of n, and merging O of A log n. The final Kruskal's algorithm complexity is the big O A log n. Thank you.